Hi, I'm Milos from HotJoomlaTemplates.com, and in this tutorial I will show you how to install a template together with demo data. We call this HotStart files. From the club section of our website, I have downloaded file at HotSportal. It's template package, and I downloaded it here in a folder, temp folder of my computer. So now I have file HotSportal unzip first. As its name says, please unzip it first somehow. On Windows it's easy, a double click on the file, and now you will see the list of all files available in the archive. I will select HotSportal HotStart, copy it. We'll get back to my temp folder and paste it here. Now I have one more archive. It's HotSportal HotStat. So it's very important to say, don't try to install HotSportal unzip first file anywhere. Not in Joomla, not on your server, anywhere. This is archive which must be unzipped first. Okay. Let's proceed to the control panel of my hosting space. In this tutorial I will use IP address, but also you can use your site name and slash control panel. You will get access info from your hosting provider. So I will log in there. Now I'm in the home screen of my control panel, of my web hosting control panel. So for the start I will click on the file manager icon. It will open a file manager in a new tab where I can see the list of all files. This is the root folder. What you see here will be shown, executed when I enter my website address, in example www.mysitename.com, or my IP address. So you can upload and install your template in this folder, but it must be empty before you're doing that. So I don't want to delete everything I have here. So I will create, for testing purposes, a subfolder in my root folder by clicking on the new folder icon, and I will name it test. It will now be shown on the list. I will enter it to it by double click, and you can see there is no files inside. I will now upload my HotStart archive by clicking the upload icon. New tab with uploading screen will open, so I can click browse button and find HotSportal HotStart archive on my computer. I will select it and uploading process will start instantly. Those files are about 10 megabytes, so it will take some time before it's uploaded, depending of your connection speed. You will see the uploading process here and percentage. So once it reaches 100%, you are done. Let's wait for it. Once the download progress reaches 100%, you are done and your file has been uploaded. So I can click back to a link, so it will close the uploader tab, and I'm now back to the file manager. I see HotSportal HotStart.zip file has been uploaded. Now let's unpack it directly on the server. Select it and click extract button. It will ask you where to extract. we will use default setting test folder and click extract files. After a few moments it will show the list of extracted files. We will close that and we will see now all Joomla files in the test directory. We do not need hotstart.zip anymore, so we can delete it. I will select it and click delete and confirm it. That's it. Before we start the Joomla installation and demo data installation, we will need to create a database, MySQL database for our Joomla. So I'll go to the Control Panel tab and click the MySQL databases icon. New database name. We'll start with your username and you can put some word here. I will type portal, click create database, and database has been created. Go back. Now I should create MySQL user for the database. I will type portal, choose a password and click create user. Now when we have both database and user, we should assign the user to the database. I will select the user I have created and I will select the database I have created and click add button. It will ask me what privileges I need. I will select all and click make changes. This screen will show you MySQL user name and MySQL database name. We will use this later, so don't go back. Leave this tab open. Now let's proceed to the Joomla installation. The addresses in my case, I don't need file manager anymore, so I can close it. Addressed in my web address in my case is my IP address /tilde my username and folder is test. Enter and I will see the Joomla installation begins. It will ask me in the first step to select a language. I will leave English. Click next. Click next again. This is the Joomla license. Click next on this screen. Now database settings. Hostname is localhost for all control panel based hostings. Username I can see on this screen. I will copy it and paste it. My password is. And finally, database name is also on this screen. I will copy it and paste it. Now I can click next, and if everything is alright, you would see the next screen with FTP configuration. I don't need this, so I can leave all fields empty and click next. Site name will be an example portal. My email address here, my Joomla administration password will go here, and very important, don't forget to click install sample data button, otherwise all sample data for from our template won't be installed. So I will click it and wait for the confirmation message that says sample data installed successfully. Now I can proceed to the final screen. Click next, and this screen asks me to delete the installation folder. So I will get back to the control panel, to the home of my control panel, go to the file manager, find my test folder, and this is the Joomla and installation folder, which we don't need, which we must delete in now before we use our site. I will select it and click delete. It will be deleted. So now we can click site button to see our site front page, and let's see what we have installed. This is our HotStart template with all demo data, with all links, menus, content pages, extensions, and so on installed. So you can easily start creating your own website by changing our demo data. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and